How to make League of Legends account private. Making your League of Legends account private is really very easy process, but note one thing, that this private account feature is not available for everyone or for every region. To check the feature is available for you, open your League of Legends client and click on settings. Once you are in your settings window, here select general section. Here you will get make my profile private option. So to make your League of Legends account private, check this box and click on done, and your League of Legends account will be private. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.